Now, with the release of the Lightfunnels stores, it is now easy to start promoting your products on Google Shopping. And the way you do that is using the Google Shopping and Product Feeds app. So let's see how that works. First, you go to your stores. And for this demo, let's say we have this demo store that we want to use on Google Shopping. So we will need to sync the products of this store with Google Shopping and Google Merchants. So let's see our products tab. Under here, you see that we have several products and we already have some upsells going on. So everything is correctly set up. And what you want to do is go to apps and look for Google Shopping and product feeds. If it's not installed yet, you'll find it down here. You just click install and then you open it. Now, what this allows us to do is sync the products from a store to Google Merchants. And your Google Merchants account will be holding all the information about your products that you can then use in Google Shopping ads to promote them. So what you need for that is a product feed, which is just a text file or an XML file that holds data about your products. So let's see, for example, this file right here. You can see that it's an XML file that has a bunch of information about our products. Now let's create a new XML file, and these files are called feeds. So they are product feeds. So we will create a new feed, and let's go through these steps. So you have several steps here that allow you to change the content of this XML file or if this product feed. Under the general tab, we will give a name. So let's call it demo feed. And then as a target country, you can select one of the countries that is supported on Google Shopping. So one of these countries on this list, let's use United States. And for the language, we'll use English. And for the currency, we'll do US dollars. Next. So here you have the option to choose to promote all of your stores at the same time under the same feed, or you can select specific stores. For this demo, we're just going to with the one store that we want to use, and that is the demo store right here. Next, and here you have the option to choose which products you want to promote on your feed, or which products you want to include on your feed in order to promote them later. So you can include all products. You can include specific products that you choose under the drop down here, and you can also exclude specific products or include products by collections. So if you know the collection that you want to promote, you can include it here. So we'll keep it all products and we will go next. Now in here you have the option to sync or map the categories of your products. So by default you have all products. So you need to choose a category for all products. This will match all of your products. Say for example, my store is about jewelry. So I will go to accessories here and I will choose jewelry. I can keep it selected here and click save, or go one step further and have like earrings or something selected. But I will keep it jewelry here and click save. And then you can add more categories. So that's the general category, and you can be more specific if you know the tags of the products that you want to group in a certain category. You can do it here. So here you have all the products that you have. You can see that we have a lot of testing tags. So let's say, for example, we have books, and I'm going to go ahead and select a category that matches those books. All right, so yeah, I'm not going to do that for this demo. I'm just going to keep all products jewelry and click next. All right, so the last step gives you information that you want to include for each product. So you have the product ID, product title, description. So here you can choose where you want to pull that data from. Generally here, all this initial setup is all good. You just need to create your feed and you should be good to go. Now, demo feed was created here, and you can click on this link and you can see that you already have an XML feed that is already created for you with all the information about your product. So what you want to do is just copy the link of this feed. And now we want to go to Google Shopping, rather Google Merchant, to add this feed to our Google Merchant account. So once you are in your Google Merchant account, what you want to go to do is go to products and then go to feeds. And here you want to create a new feed. All right. So choose the target country. So for here, we are going to use United States, and language is going to be English. And let's call it demo feed. All right, so we want it to be both on the free listing and on the shopping ads. All right, so continue. And in here, you want to select schedule fetch. This is going to fetch your products from your feed on a schedule. So let's call it demo store feed and scheduled feed, continue, and enter a name for your feed. So yeah, same demo store feed. And we are going to paste the URL of our feed here. And we don't have any password on our feed, so that's going to be empty. And then we will create our feed. Now, once the feed is created, Google will start fetching data from your feed every now and then, depending on the schedule that you have on the settings. In the initial, like when you just create the feed, you can click fetch now, and it's going to fetch the products from your feed right now without waiting for the schedule to trigger. And in a few minutes, you will see your products added to your Google Merchant Center. From here, you can go to Google Ads and create a shopping ad and use the products from your Google Merchant Center that you have just imported using your feed. And that's how you promote your products on Google Shopping using Lightfunnels stores.